Hey, fellow nature enthusiasts! Today we're escaping the ordinary to explore one of the most breathtaking places on Earth, the mountains. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a vast wilderness where the air is fresher and the views are simply out of this world. Mountains aren't just giant rocks, they're the guardians of the Earth, rising majestically towards the sky, covered with lush greenery and crowned with clouds. Every curve, every peak tells a story of millennia. Picture this, you've just hiked up a serene trail, your heartbeat syncing with the natural rhythm around you. As you reach the summit, a panoramic view unfolds. Crystal clear lakes reflecting the blue skies, streams cascading down like ribbons of silver, and the distant chirping of birds that seems like nature's own melody. And what's a mountain adventure without the human element? There you see a family sharing a picnic, their laughter mingling with the breeze. Close by, a couple captures a selfie, their smiles as wide as the horizon. These moments, simple yet profound, remind us of the joy nature brings to our souls. Now shift your gaze to the roads, those winding paths etched along the mountainside. They're not just routes, they're a journey. Beautiful cars glide along, their headlights twinkling like stars against the twilight. It's not just about the destination, but the journey, and what a scenic one it is. So, why do we come to the mountains? Is it for the awe-inspiring views, the peace and solitude? Or perhaps it's to remind ourselves of the vast wild beauty of this world, a beauty so powerful yet so delicate, needing our protection and respect. As we wrap up this virtual journey, remember the mountains call to us in a language beyond words. They invite us to breathe in life more deeply and to stand a little taller, just like them. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and let the mountains move you.